Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Well, we are starting a new daily plan live stream. Today it's Wednesday. Let's start with Bitcoin. Hopefully everything is okay on the YouTube side. So what we have on Bitcoin, let's stay this time on 4-hour chart. I consider that is the best time frame for the moment. So what we have here now, it's a nice range yesterday. We had a dump exactly in the long reload zone and the first support area. Well, nothing unusual. If you zoom in too much, seems scary, but if you stay on the right time frame for a day trader, you'll see the market. 4-hour chart, I think, is the best in this market condition. If you look left, well, you can understand why I'm saying that. What's happening now? Well, dump, reset the charts, everything, including altcoins, and now they are pushing higher. Dalai Lama pattern. I keep repeating, learn the Dalai Lama pattern, buy when they are resetting the charts. Well, some people, they just don't want to understand that. They'll buy the tops and it is what it is. It's not a good idea to try to, even in a bull market, to anticipate the breakout. It's better to buy in the dip, kind of holy grail on higher time frame, and just live with the results then. Look at here. Every time they dumped, it was a buying opportunity. Dumped it here, buy. Dumped it here, buy. Dumped it here, buy. Well, you cannot, I don't know how to say it, you cannot anticipate exactly the dip. So that's why I'm recommending Dalai Lama pattern. If you play with Dalai Lama, you don't need to anticipate. You just wait for the dump and you take the first W. It's easier. So, Bitcoin on 4-hour chart, you can see strong, really strong. Is pushing higher, that's for sure. And how high? Like I said yesterday, and the entire week, we don't know. Let's not put ourselves in front of this one. I'll hedge when I'll see fit, when I'll see something to give me a reason to do that. For the moment, no. No yams. The market is pushing higher. We had some bearish divergence here, but was just to reset the indicators, and you can see now they are back in the overbought area. At least RSI is pushing higher again. OBV is strong. So no, let's just play by the deep game until the market will prove us wrong. So that's Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. Let's switch to Ethereum. So Ethereum still at 78.6 on higher time frame. Trying to do the same thing like Bitcoin, is just slightly behind that. Why? Because like I said, $4,000, it's like a magnet. It's just keeping the price there. But at some point in time, if Bitcoin will perform, probably the Ethereum will break that bound with $4,000 and will push higher. If we'll break that one, well, next big round number kind of is 4,500, but the big one is 5K. Yeah, all-time high. That's a area where we should look again for some I don't know, ranging. For the moment, we are fighting at this level. Let's respect that. If we'll accept above this level, we know we can push higher. Same idea like on Bitcoin. Buy the dip. I even posted the meme with Dalai Lama after the dip. Someone asked me why I'm not posting the trades I'm taking in the dip. Well, it's a bit hard. Stefan did that for VIP shortly, but before the dip, anticipating the dip. In the dip, you don't have time to do anything. Yeah? In the dip, you are just looking to frame some setups, some lower time frame Dalai Lama patterns, and that's it. We made nice money yesterday. Hopefully, when we'll reset again, we'll be in front of the computer and we can do it again. Now, Ethereum, same kind of idea. Indicators resetting yesterday, and you can see from this level they are just going sideways. I think we can push back in the overbought, at least on RSI. Why not? Kind of a dump here on OBV, but nothing special, exactly like we see on the chart. For the moment, not yet. Let's just wait for a clear signal if we are thinking divergence on OBV. Not the case for the moment. Well, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance accepted below this level. Now it's pushing back up. We are still between this M and this W, but now we have a new pattern in front of us. We have an M. If we'll not take this level and we'll continue to push lower, well, that's good for altcoins. For the moment, it's okay. For the moment, we don't have any problem. Let's see what we'll get from this one after the London session. Slow and steady. We can play around. If we have anyone on YouTube, you can tell me if everything is okay. That will be even better. Yeah? I was a bit in a hurry when I started the live stream. I don't know how many people are watching now. Okay, so on Bitcoin dominance, still in the same ugly area between this M and this W, but we have a new pattern. We should think about this M. Yeah? I know it's below a short reload zone. It's kind of a pump chaser zone. It's quite big. Okay, but if the market will stay below this level, 54.1, then this is still valid and we should still expect lower. So I'll go and hunt strong altcoins with Holy Grail today. Okay, so that's Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, range between short and long reload zone. Not too many things to say about that, so just leave it alone. Let's look at weekly. You know how weekly will look, no? Strong and really strong. Testing the all-time high. It's that simple. Look how nice it is. We are on the price discovery on Bitcoin. Nice times to be alive. Nice time to make some money. Don't focus to buy Bitcoin at all-time highs. Look at some altcoins. I'm posting altcoins on Premium. Kevin is posting altcoins. Stefan is posting altcoins. Even on Twitter you can find some nice altcoins. Not too many because everyone is buying the pump, or they are pumping their own coins. But there are some people posting good charts. There are not too many, indeed. Not too many altcoins didn't pump yet, or they are buyable. But we can find some. Focus on that. Make some money. Buy on spot if you don't like to. If you think you're not able to play on leverage, buy on spot and hold. Ethereum at 78.6. I don't think it's the case to do anything on this one. Let's just I don't know. Let's just wait. Like I said, 4,000 could be a magnet and could keep the price here, and when we'll explode, I think we'll go straight to 5k. This is my 2 cents. I have a setup? No. If I don't have a setup, I'm not playing. I could go and play with Holy Grail on Ethereum, but because it's at $4,000, and then, like I said, I'm expecting to stay there a little bit. I'm not trading Ethereum at all. I have a position from 2000 and something here in this area. If you remember, I still have 30%. I'm more than happy with that position. I don't need more than that. Okay, DXY on lower time frame. Pretty simple stuff. You can see, still in the fib pong area. I don't think it's the case for us to do anything. I think slow and steady. We'll stay here a long period of time, and hopefully we'll stay here because it will allow us to play around without worrying about DXY. Total, you can see 1% up on each and every one. Nothing special from yesterday, same levels. Yeah, they are looking strong, but didn't change too much from yesterday. Now let's go on day trading part. That's more interesting, and as you can see, I added a new one just to watch it. Usually I don't like pump and dumps. And why? Because if they pumped and they dumped, they will, let's take this level, let's see. We have lower levels. Take the entire chart, well, why not? It's a new coin. Let's see what we have. And as you can see, we are at 50%. We are not at 61.8. We are not in the long reload zone. The problem I have here, after a pump like this and a dump, usually price needs a lot of time to consolidate. Even Tesla will slowly bleed. That's usually happening. Because the market state is so strong these days, well, I think we can be more aggressive, but still don't try to buy it here. Wait for higher time frame, I don't know, for a dip first, and then let it bleed, let it clean itself up. I don't think it's a good idea to kind of chasing here. Yeah, I know you are buying the retracement, you are buying a lot lower, but look left. You don't have any support here. The support is at below $5. So here it's ugly to buy. But I'll watch this one to see what will happen on higher time frame. Let's see, 4-hour chart. Same kind of thinking. On 4-hour chart, you can see pump dump and it's too early to do something. Okay, I'll go straight on Bitcoin on lower time frames and I'll show you something nice. 15-minute chart. I don't know if you see it or not. On 5-minute chart, actually, I should go. Well, that was the trade yesterday. Well, we missed this one. No big deal. It was ugly to take it. Well, wait. Dalai Lama, wait. Dump, pump, first W. Look at the W. And leave with the results. Didn't just slightly miss my take profit. I'll wait. I'm patient enough and I'll wait. I'll probably hit my take profit. And anyway, I'll close 50%, not entire, because this on price discovery you don't want to close everything at the old high. Maybe you'll push higher. I don't know. I don't know if it's greed or it's what it is to take the profit, all the profit from the table. To be so scared that you'll take the profit off and not leave anything to give you more. Seems like greed. I don't know what it is. I learned not to do that. I learned to just leave something, just let a runner. If market wants to give you more, don't stand in front of that. Don't limit your profit just because you cannot stand to see too much money on the table. It's not good. It's not healthy overall. Just leave a runner. Yeah, multiple times you'll get stopped out, and indeed you'll leave some money on the table. But sometimes the market will push higher and higher and higher, and you'll make more money than you lost last couple of times. So it's profitable overall. That's my idea. It's profitable to keep a runner if you know how to do it. If you are a beginner, no. Fix stop loss, fix take profit, live with the results. It's better until you become consistently profitable. Don't do stuff like that. But if you are already profitable, well, try to maximize a little bit. It's the next step. Okay, so Bitcoin now testing the all-time highs again on lower time frame. I don't think it's anything to do on this one. It's too late on Bitcoin. We barked away yesterday in the dump that by the Dalai Lama pattern, by the dip kind of idea. Okay, I was hoping here for a pump chaser zone. Well, no, was a classic long reload zone. Even better. Seeing rejecting from 61.8 from long reload zone, even better. That's assured me that will probably bounce and go higher. And you can see, nice bounce, clear retracement. The market is not going straight up. First W, and I'm in. Yeah, I stayed in the middle of the night for that, but nothing I can do if I want to trade this pattern. Okay. That's Bitcoin. Nothing to do at this point in time. Let's just either you manage to get in or you stay out and wait. Ethereum, well, same kind of pattern you can see. Dump, pump, first W, even cleaner than Ethereum, than Bitcoin. Look at this one. First W was here. Look at the result. Well, now let's zoom out a little bit on 1 hour. I think is the best. Hey David. If you have requests, guys, please put them in the YouTube chat. So, Let's look at not a specific order. Let's just take a look at what we have here. This one still nice in profit. Like I said, stop loss all the way down below. I took some profit off here. I'm waiting. I said stop loss far away from the market price. Why? Look at the dump. If you put your stop loss here, you can manage to be stopped out and the market to go without you. If your stop loss it's safe enough, well, you are leaving more money potentially on the table, but you can make more money. You have to find your own balance. That's for sure. So FED, I could see here another LJ. Not the best one, but it's here. You can see. Well, if you are strong and if you are bull and if you want to push to the all-time highs, okay, give me a W the other side of the trend line, and I'll get in again. I'll hunt another setup on FED. Why not? For the moment, it's a bit too early. I think it's better. Could consolidate a little bit more. Let's wait. W the other side. Jupiter, well, not too many things to say. It's strong, not allocation too long. It's staying here. You can see didn't dump too much, didn't pump too much. It's just consolidating here. Ugly pattern. I don't like it. Manta, on 1 hour time frame, you can see didn't manage to give us in the dump to give us a pump chaser zone. Maybe I was a bit a cheap ass, and if I did that, no, not even that, no. But overall, if you want to trade it with Holy Grail or something on 50-minute chart, possible. Look at here. Lower highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Could be something. I don't like that. Look at my RSI indicator. It's telling me that we have a bearish divergence here. That means that we cannot pump higher. Yeah, we can. But I'm not allowed to buy something like that with bearish divergence. Well, David, if everything is okay, please type in the chat. I don't know if it's okay or not. If everything is smooth or not. I was a bit in a hurry, so I just started the live stream. Okay, Manta, Dimension. Well, still in the short three lows on there. Up and down, nothing new, but no setup here for me. No setup for me. Let's look left. Okay, we are in the short three low zone. We form like kind of a range. No, it's a new altcoin. I prefer to stay out until I'll see clear setups on higher time frame. Pixel, well, kind of dumped here. We can form here I don't know, a bot setup, AB equals CD. Yeah, what we have now, well, we have one low and that's it. We just rejecting from 38.2 usually, and I cannot take a trade above the pump chaser zone. It's just not me. If we'll pump, okay, but this is the first stop. Yeah? Initial rejection from 38.2. That doesn't mean the market could not dump lower. I don't trust this one. If we'll go without me, so be it. No problem with that. But I don't like this pattern here. I just don't. Could do an AB equals D to the downside. We have an M top here. We're forming another M. No. I'll just leave it alone. I don't like it. Solana. Well, Solana, it's on their way to zero. I'm joking. It's pushing higher and higher. You have to keep in mind, it's big. It's damn big. Will not move like an altcoin with, I don't know, 10 million market cap. Will move slowly, but it's bullish. Zoom out. 4 hour chart, let's see. So let's see. Well, dump, pump. You can see the last two dumps, didn't care about. Well, it's like someone will say, well, you tricked me once, you tricked me twice, you are trying to trick me again. Well, no. Bullish again. Well, how high could go? We don't know, depending. Keep in mind, Bitcoin is in price discovery. Altcoins, well, all of them, they have something to recover. How high? Let's find out. I don't see P cycle top hitting for the moment. The moving average, they are still far away, so I'm not worrying about that on higher time frame. Okay, Doge. Mr. Doge, well, Mr. Doge, it's in this range still. Like I said, same idea, big, so we'll move slowly. This one dumped a bit more aggressively, and is still in the pump, not the pump chaser, in the fib pong play here. Short, long, well, could stay here for a long period of time. It's quite big. Pushed really nice. Just keep in mind, in February, at the end of February, was below 10 cents, and now it's 70, 80, was 20 cents, a double. And you want to keep going without consolidating. Well, it's big, it's not working that way. It's not a pigeon coin or ape with hat. I'll show you immediately. It's big one. Well, the rest of them, not too many things to say. Pete, same idea, is pushing higher, but I didn't have an entry. Stefan had an entry yesterday on lower time frame, but nothing here, you can see. Let's see Holy Grail. Holy Grail, well, some strong altcoins will outperform, and you can see, yeah. Just hunt the strong ones. If I'll get an entry here, possibly I'll take this one. Waves is starting to do something. This one is over, it's below, behind a lot of them. So could do something nice, definitely. I will pay attention to this one, yeah. Zilica, same kind of idea. Look left, he's trying to do something. He's trying to push higher and higher. Will succeed to do that? I don't know. But I'll pay attention, and if I'll get an entry, I'll take it. Dusk, same kind of thinking, a bit too aggressive here, but you can see he's giving us an entry even now. So if we'll have an entry, well, why not? We can play around. Let's see if I have the correct settings. It seems something is off, no? Entry part is not okay. I changed it, and it's from all the setting. I don't know why. I'll update after the live stream. I don't see the point to do it now. Okay, but the stop loss part is the same one, so we can play around. Well, that's Dusk. We can go on multiple ones. Just hunt strong altcoins. If you have access on Holy Grail, just, well, you have an entry. Take it, live with the result. Slow risk, small risk, not slow. Small risk because, you know, Holy Grail has a high risk to reward sometimes, but you can get multiple stop losses in a row. That's the problem. They are correlated. Everything is correlated in this crypto market. Well, Pepe wants to say something. Well, if he wants to say something and wants to give us an entry, let's try something on it. It's a bit too early here, but bullish bias, bullish Holy Grail, next entry, not a mistake if you take this one. Well, Holy Grail, pretty simple. Just take the entries, live with the result. Hunt strong altcoins. I like what we have on Bitcoin dominance. I really like the fact that on 4-hour chart, even 1 hour, we have this YAM. So that's really nice. Really nice. Let's see 1 hour. I just looked at. Well, on 1 hour, you can see it's kind of forming a range. 4-hour chart, we accepted below this and we formed an YAM. Let's wait a little bit, but probably strong altcoins will definitely form. They have some uptrends, and we can hop in and live with the results. Okay, now what we can do next? Next, let's take a look at what we have on Solana meme coins, and hopefully, if my chart will load, we can look at some of them. Well, watch list. I need strong projects. Let's see. So, well, Stefan idea with his pigeon is working. You can see it's pushing. Light is recovering. Someone said yesterday, well, light dumped and it's over and I don't want. Well, yeah, that's the shitcoin game. That's why here. This one, I don't know what happened, but the stop loss is at 0. It's that simple. Like I said, this setup, I call this setup like this: 0 or hero. Some of them will fucking dump. Nothing we can do about that. But the one that will pump will compensate for the loss and will give us some profit even. So it's profitable overall. You can play this game, play it. If you don't like it, don't play it. It's that simple. So light, yeah, dumped. Will recover? I don't know. Seems like a pump and dump scheme, and that's it. Next boss. You cannot know. I'll sell my loss. I'll sell my position here, my spot back here. No, just leave it there. Go to 0 with me, not without me. Okay, let's go back on the list. No chill. I saw this one. It's the second one on AVAX. I had a ape kind of a position on this one. I had something, but let me see if we'll load. Okay, it's a bit too late to buy it now. A lot late, honestly. But I aped in here with a small position. Yeah, I'll close it if we'll touch this level. We'll close below this level. I think we'll push higher. We'll step up, but now it's a bit too late. There are some coins on AVAX. Just go AVAX and then Trader Joe and look for some new meme coins. Look for some unpumped ones. Seems like the money are moving partially there. So you can find some kind of the same coins like on Solana, on AVAX. Similar stuff. The fees are a bit bigger. Sometimes your your transaction will fail, but acceptable for normal guys with I don't know, a portfolio below 100k. Yeah, if you have below 100k portfolio to trade these coins, you can trade Solana, you can trade AVAX. If you go on Ethereum, the fees will kill you. It's that simple. If you want to buy something on Ethereum, well, buy and hold. Don't try to swing trade them. If you have a big portfolio, that's a different story. I'm not allocating too much money for these purposes. Let's be clear. I'm just, okay, I'm playing around. I learned to play around here a couple of months ago. I'll play, but I'm not allocating a lot of money to this part of trading. No. Here it's, in my view, just for me, it's low risk, small amount and high reward, because we can get some I don't know, 10R, 100R, and we had some of them. It's profitable. We are making money. Some people are just greedy. They want to buy one meme coin and to make 1000x, and that's it, because saw someone doing the same on YouTube. Well, up to you. So no chill. It's something. If we'll retrace back, I'll add to my. I'll rethink this entire position. Let's look at the other ones. Seems like my computer is slow. I don't know YouTube if it's okay, but it is what it is. Next time I'll do better. This one looks dead. Popo is fighting, but Popo had the news. It's kind of a sell the news. Ape with hat was really nice, but yeah, you can see they pumped, they dumped. We said let's buy this one. Now they pumped it back up. It's ranging. It's preparing for the next step to the upside. If they'll keep pushing this coin, this one has a chance to push a lot higher. Sometimes the creator of the meme coin, they are just closing the shop and then will go to 0, and nothing you can do about that. You just have to manage your risk. It's that simple. Okay, it's 10. Let's close the live stream. VIP guys, they have a live stream with Stefan from now on. So Stefan will talk about scalping levels with them. I still think Solana, they are good to look for new buys. On meme coins, on DGen channel, we have a lot of ideas, but that's why it's called DGen. It's up to you how much you risk, how you frame the trades. We can give you some ideas, but nothing more than that. It's too risky to give you more than that. You have to play pretty low to be safe in this kind of environment. On Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin is testing the highs on lower time. Let me see. Bitcoin, well, 5-minute chart. All hit might take profit pretty soon. If you can, if you want to play with Holy Grail, you can do that on Bitcoin. You can see it's trying to form an uptrend here. Huh? Honestly, at the all-time high here, I prefer to just leave it alone. I'll take some profit off and I'll trail the rest. It's that simple. It's Wednesday. Yesterday we had pump and dump. Today, hopefully, we'll step to the upside, slow and steady. What will happen exactly? I don't know. We'll wait and we'll see. Okay, guys. Sorry for, I don't know, rushing a little bit today. I opened all of a sudden. I was a bit late. That was the problem. I'm sorry for that. If you have questions, any question, please go on the general chat. Some people don't have access on premium. They are only on general. Ask any question you want and we'll answer. Kevin, Stefan, me, someone will answer your question. Doesn't matter if it's about scalping, swing trading, position trading. If we know, we'll answer. If we don't know, we'll find out and then we'll answer. It's that simple. Yeah, this is a YouTube live stream. If you want to participate in our community is Discord based. So in Discord you can find us and you can find a lot of free stuff actually. Not everything is for free, but we have a lot of free stuff for general members, for people who don't want to swing trade, they don't want to scalp, they just want to invest. If you are just here to invest, on general part, it's enough. It's free. We have a complete plan there. Just go on Discord. You have the link in the description. Go on Discord and check the channels and you'll be happy with what you see. At the end, I know I'm repeating myself, but I'll do it every day. Bring a friend. You know what I mean. At least people who are watching on daily basis. If you want our community to grow and to grow organically, just bring a friend. Only one. If everyone will bring a friend, well, our community will grow a lot more organically. Let's just call it that way. Because it's easy to shill it, easy to get more people, but the quality is hard to control. That's why I'm counting on you guys to do that. Okay, that's it. Let's meet again in the New York session. Today it's for premium members, but I don't know. I think I could open for general members also. Just remind me and I'll do that. Okay, guys. See you. Bye bye.